Welcome all of you. It's time to discuss density property of rational numbers. Okay, what is density property of rational numbers? Between any two different rational numbers, there are infinitely many rational numbers. Actually, we saw this on number line. If we consider any two rational number, between them a rational number is there. So if one rational number is between any two rational number, I can do this forever. I have two rational number, maybe 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. Between them, a rational number is there. Okay, maybe what will be the rational number for your understanding purpose? It will be something look like 21 by 30. Okay, I will teach you how it came. But again, between this 2 by 3 and 21 by 10, I can find again. Between 21 by 30 and 3 by 3, I can find again. So what I'm trying to say is that density property says, if we are considering any two rational number, we can find infinitely many rational number between them. It doesn't matter how much closer they are. Okay. Now question how? Suppose I gave you two rational numbers and find infinitely. Okay, we don't have to find infinitely. Find at least three rational numbers between them. How can I do that? Learn it. I'm going to teach you. There are two strategies, and I'm going to teach you the first strategy through this video. And this is the one. To find many rational numbers between two given distinct rational number, method one is let A and B be into rational number such a way that A is smaller, A less than B. Then I'm calling a number called Q1. A plus B by 2 will be between A and B. This is the first strategy. Definitely you need example. For example, if I'm considering two numbers 3 and 4. If I'm considering two numbers 3 and 4. And question, how can I find a rational number between 3 and 4? I know 3 less than 4. And that rational number is a plus b by 2. In this case, a is 3, b is 4. What is a plus b by 2? It will be always between a and b. In this case, a is 3. A plus b means 3 plus 4 by 2. 4. Understand 3 will be less than 7 by 2 less than 4. I found a rational number between 3 and 4. Suppose the question is to find three rational number. What I will do? Again, I will do the same process between 3 and 7 by 2. Again, I will do that. Again, I will do that. I can do this forever. 7 or otherwise between 7 by 2 and 4, I can find a rational number by how 7 by 2 plus 4 all divided by 2. For any rational number a and b, a plus b by 2 will be between them. Okay. Maybe we need an example. We need a question. Find three rational number between 4 and 5. We will do that. I know 4 less than 5. According to our rule, 4 less than 4 plus 5 by 2 less than 5. If I have two rational number a and b, then a plus b by 2 will be between a and b. That's the rule. So according to that idea, 4 less than 4 plus 5 is 9 by 2 less than 5. I found one new rational number between 4 and 5. But the question is to find three rational number between 4 and 5. How can I do that? Again, I will find a rational number between 4 and 9 by 2. Okay, how? 4 less than, if A less than B, A plus B by 2 will be between them. So 4 less than 4 plus 9 by 2 all by 2. A, B. A plus B by 2. Less than 9 by 2. I got one more between 4 and 9 by 2. Again, I'm finding the same between 9 by 2 and 5 2. I need three of them. Between 9 by 2 and 5, I am finding a rational number. How? A plus b by 2 will be between a and b. So it will be 9 by 2 plus 5 all divided by 2 less than 5. Okay. Now I should find all this, and what's the value? Let's find that. What is 4 plus 9 by 2 first? Okay, I have to cross multiply. 4 I can write it like 4 by 1. Cross multiplication 4 into 2 8 plus 1 into 9 9 2 by 1 into 2 2. Addition of fractions, addition of rational numbers. The answer is 17 by 2. That 17 by 2 I should divide with the 2. Okay, how can I do that one? 17 by 2 dividing by 2. 2 means 2 by 1, right? Yeah. How can I divide two rational number 17 by 2? Dividing by 2 is same as into reciprocal of the second number. These are all we already learned. 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. The answer is 17 divided by 4. Okay. This entire number is 17 divided by 4. So 4 less than 4 by 2, 17 by 4 less than 9 by 2. We need one more. What about this one? What about that one? I should calculate that one too. And definitely I will do that. What is 9 by 2 plus 5 first? 9 by 2 plus 5. For understanding, I am writing 5 as 5 by 1. Any number, I can write it like that number by 1. Method is cross multiplication. 9 into 1, 9 plus 5 into 2, 10. All divided by 2 into 1, 2. The answer is 19 by 2. Now, not their sum, but also by 2. So, 9 by 2 plus 5 by 1, all divided by 2. What will be that? This answer 19 by 2 dividing by 2 will be. Okay, how can I do that? 19 by 2. 2 is basically 2 by 1. Dividing by 2 is same as into reciprocal of 2, which is 1 by 2. Answer is 19 into 1, 19, 2 into 2, 4. I got 19 by 4 less than 5. So between 4 and 5, I already found 3 rational numbers. So my answers are 17 by 4, 9 by 2, and 19 by 4. And I can do this forever. This is the first method of finding two rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Okay, but this is not the fastest method. You have one more method that we'll learn in the next video. Thank you all.